Man, just look at her. I can't believe I have this. Before I reveal anything here, we're going into this room. It's one of those weeks where you start working on your bike to get it ready and you come across something that's got to get fixed. And as you dive into that, you discover a new problem. And then that problem gets bigger and bigger, and pretty soon you're in over your head and you're running out of time. I have a week to get the bike in riding condition. It's that time of year again for our annual riding trip. However, this year we're not going to the deep south. We're going to West Virginia. Oh, it's a mess because I wasn't planning on getting into the bike this much. I didn't even wash the bike fully because I wasn't planning on doing a full teardown here. I'm not doing a full teardown. Hopefully not. Chain of events. The other day, I was going to go use my e-start, get in focus, and nothing. Nada. Blah. So I'm like, alright, well, battery must be dead. So I hook up the battery charger to the battery. It's charged 100%. And I'm like, oh, what the heck? So I check the fuses. That's the next thing. Okay, nothing's wrong there. I check the voltage. I'm checking the voltage across the solenoid. We're good there. I check the voltage across the switch. I jump the switch here. Nothing. I jump the solenoid. Nothing. I mean, that's effectively the same thing. I'm coming down here to the stator, which I forgot. This is the newer KTMs. I can't access the e-start here. So, well, it's down here, but then I noticed my case has got this puncture wound. So there's some JB Weld I'll have to throw on that. I decided to hold off on the electric start motor. I can do that down the road. It's not mission critical. However, I was having issues with my radiator fan as well. Oh. Is that right? That doesn't... Something is shorted out because it's blowing fuses. Okay, this might be stupid, but what I got here are two wires coming off my battery. I'm going to just connect the fan directly across. So red is yellow. This will tell us if it works or not. Okay. Whoa, baby, the fan works! So, good thing I checked. What I'm wondering here is maybe this thing here is busted. So let's hook up our fan. Something's wrong. See, that shouldn't be doing that. I ordered another fan controller. That has got to be the problem. I mean, if the fan works, everything else works, but the controller is popping like that, there's something wrong with it. Perfect, yeah, so it's just a replacement. That's all happy and zip tied down there. I just zip tied it all together without even checking if it works. Okay, let's see if it works. Yep, we're good. And then there's the radiator problem that I'm having. What we're looking at here is my left radiator. It looks like the exhaust pipe has pushed up the bottom of my radiator. I got the radiator off and it's bent in. Now, here's a question. Is this a significant issue? I mean, is this going to be causing your bike to overheat more? I mean, it's certainly not going to help, but is it serious enough to have to replace the radiator? I don't know, man. I don't think it's that big of a deal. I'm replacing it anyway to put the question to rest. I ordered a new radiator. I got a new radiator coming. This one can be repaired. Knowing how I ride, I can guarantee it, actually. I nailed something and my exhaust pipe went straight up into the radiator right here and just put that dent in. However, I noticed my exhaust here. This is my exhaust. I did notice my exhaust mount here, this rubber mount, is toast. And this is why my Kickstarter was riding up like this, and it would engage. You hear the clicking as I'm riding. So that's resolved. I'll tighten everything back up. My to-do list: KTM prep, front wheel bearings, lube the bibs. Jesus. this Turbis X LED is perfect for mounting a plate right here, because I need that for the enduros, the timekeeping enduros. This thing went on great when you just bolt it through, so if you don't want to drill through your fender, it's not for you. My dirt bike has the runs. No, I'm kidding. Future note to self though, don't remove the bleeder screw for your radiator system, your coolant system. Unscrew it very carefully, and you'll hear air coming out of it. So I heard the noise. I was like, oh, I'm letting air out. Let me go a little more, because it was hissing. And then, poof, geyser. Coolant, glycol flying everywhere. She's almost done. Tomorrow, I think I'm going to do some riding.